Guys, it's the end of our vacation and we're saying goodbye to the family. We're in the airport, we're overweight, but that's fine. Step up, Watugama.
You know that you're leaving.
Step up, Tyler.
They're gonna bother you more in national flight than international flight.
Say bye bye to Gamma.
National flight is cheaper.
Oh.
Because then
Tyler, why you beating up Gamma?
international flight they need a lot of money.
He wants to Gamma again for a long time. Oh. Say bye bye Gamma. Abba. Abba. Say Gamma bye bye. We got my kisses.
Kitty Gamma. Kitty mommy. Kitty mommy. Say Abba to Gamma.
The Abba Gampa.
I'm with mother. I'm with president.
Jesus.
My mother and the world. Because I said so.
Thank you very much.
I'm taking a child.
Right. Oh yeah. Hi. Yes. Yeah. Look at you. You're just walking away. Yay. He's on a roll. Ever since he discovered walking, he's non-stop walking. Oh my god, he's the cutest. Hey! 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 Take your time, Papa. Take your time, love. Idea. Come on. Yay! Yeah.
Alright, so that's the beginning of the travel to go back home. So we are actually in Houston and we're going to Charlotte. So this is the plane. And we're gonna spend like 3 hours and we're gonna have a connecting flight in Charlotte.
What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? Drool him out? Tired. Guys, I don't even think you guys can hear me. We're on our flight from Houston to Charlotte, and we're supposed to connect from Charlotte to Paris, and our flight delayed about 30 minutes or so because of heavy lightning in Houston. So I'm almost sure that we're going to miss our flight from Charlotte to Paris, but let's wait on it and see how it goes. But hopefully we don't have to stay in a hotel or sleep in the airport tonight. But let's just wait on it. We're almost in Charlotte now, so let's see the hustle and bustle to get Tyler's stroller. Even though we don't have to pick up back our luggage, but we have to get Tyler's stroller and then hustle to catch our next flight. So hopefully we catch it, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'll catch you guys later. We're extremely tired though, and Tyler won't sleep, so he's up roaming. Look at him. Anything you have to say for yourself? Anything to say for yourself? What are you doing? You're picking up all the stones, putting into Auntie's hand? Hmm? Papa? One by one. He's giving her all the stones. No, up, up, Tyler. Up, up, Tyler. Up, up, Papa. Up, Papa. Good boy. Stay up, Papa, stay up. Good boy. You're stone hunting. You're stone hunting. Sweetness.
Attention à la route parce que...
Attends, Papa.
I think you should take him.
Come. We're going home. Tyler.
I'll take this, I'll take him. Ready, can
He's not ready.
bien dormi? Mon cœur.
Hi guys. Babe's driving, so you know what that means. Focus camera.
Yeah, I'm about to go take somebody, so I can't.
You guys, look at my face. My face is swollen, literally. We are finally back in France. This is the tireless I have been in my entire life. Because I am jet lagged. Not even I, we are jet lagged to the bone. Ever since we arrived this morning, I have been sleeping at hubby's auntie's non-stop. Tyler have been sleeping non-stopping, and then I know that, well, not even we, I will be up all night tonight because the time difference with Tyler, it's now about 1 p.m. in the USA, so it's 8 p.m. for us, and now would have been Tyler's bedtime if he was originally in France time. If his body was originally in France time, he would have been sleeping now, but the fact is he is still in USA time, so I'm sure that he'll be up all night tonight roaming, but let's see how that goes. But we are so tired. Our flight was a bit delayed in Charlotte, but thank God we catch our flight just in time for Paris, and we land safely and all that good stuff. So we are finally back to reality. Vacation was good, but it was sad leaving mommy. It was sad leaving mommy, and yeah, hopefully we'll see her soon again. Look at that sunset, y'all. That's one beautiful sunset over there. I've been trying to catch it for a while, but the car is moving too fast, and the tree is blocking me, so I can't really get a good shot of it. Wow. Like babe just said to me a while ago that I catch so many sunsets on my phone. He doesn't know what I do with all of them, but I just excuse me, I love seeing them. So every time I see them, I just snap. That's true, I really don't know what I do with them, but whatever. I just snap away. So we're heading home. We're almost home. We're just a few minutes away from home. But first, before we go home, we're gonna have to stop and get... Yes, love. Yes. Yes, boo-boo. Yes. He's so tired. Before we go home, we're gonna have to stop and get some food for dinner, and hopefully we can have some leftovers for breakfast tomorrow, because the house is empty, as in the fridge really is empty. Yes, baby, we're almost home, okay? He must be drained, I tell you. But overall, our vacation was good, and hopefully you guys enjoyed our vacation vlogs, and we will see you guys back to our normal vlogging. End of vacation, and we really had fun. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.